The sacred scriptures, spanning across both the Old and New Testaments, bear remarkable instances where divine communication manifests through writing by the finger of God. Such events, though few, encapsulate the profound interplay between the divine message and human experience. An analysis of these passages reveals a unified thread, suggesting the same divine author across disparate contexts. Firstly, Exodus 31 verse 18 and Deuteronomy 9 verse 10 recount the seminal moment when God himself inscribed the TenCommandments on stone tablets on Mount Sinai. In these passages, God's finger becomes the medium through which eternal laws were given directly to Moses. These tablets, representing divine mandates, symbolize the perpetual covenant between God and humanity. The notion of God's writing denotes a direct and authoritative exposition of his will, an immutable and powerful testament of divine law. In the New Testament, John 8 verse 6 presents an intriguing scenario where Jesus writes on the ground with his finger amidst an episode involving a woman accused of adultery. Other people are gathered around. Although the content of this writing remains undisclosed, the symbolic weight is profound. This act embodies compassion intertwined with justice, aligning with themes central to Jesus' teachings. The silence regarding what was written amplifies its symbolic resonance, inviting contemplation on divine judgment, mercy, and the intrinsic sanctity of the law. This seemingly simple act of writing on the ground, viewed in conjunction with the Old Testament accounts, underscores a continuity of divine intervention through writing. It posits an omniscient presence that authors sacred truths both in carved stone and humble earth, denoting a theological consistency that bridges the Testaments. The motif of writing executed by God, whether in stone or dust, signifies his perpetual narrative interwoven within human history, where the divine word not only governs but also redeems. The confluence of these events accentuates the notion that the hand inscribing eternal laws on Sinai is inherently the same as that which scribes into the sands of Judea. The act of divine writing throughout Scripture illustrates an unbroken authority, reaffirming the unity of God's purpose across the ages. At both places, he used his finger to write the Scripture. In this moment, Jesus is essentially telling them, "Do not attempt to teach me the law," while leading them to recognize him as the very one who gave them the law. Please like and subscribe the channel for more spiritual improvement. God bless you all.